Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download VLC media player on your computer. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So let me open here Google Chrome. So now here on the Google Chrome, search here for the VLC media player download. Now go to this first link, download official VLC media player for Windows. So here you can see, here is a download button. Now click on this, download VLC. So just wait, the downloading will start in few seconds. So as you can see here, the downloading has been started. So let's wait till the downloading ends, and then I will show you how can you install it on your computer. So as you can see here, the downloading has been completed. Now double click it and just wait till the installer launches. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. So here, let me show you. You have to select the language. So let me select here English, then click on OK. Now click on next. Again click on next. Next. So here you have to select the location where you want to install VLC media player. So after selecting, you have to click on install. So here you can see the installation is in progress. It will take a few seconds to install according to your PC configuration. So as you can see here, the installation has been completed. Now click on finish and just wait. The VLC media player will launch in few seconds. So here you can see we are inside the VLC media player. Now by clicking on media, then clicking on open file, so from here you can choose whichever file you want to watch in VLC media player and can watch it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.